a very cool interactive art experience. There's a lot of stuff to read and go through here to learn the storyline. We're probably not going to get into that too much today. We'll certainly be back on another day to experience some more of that. We're just getting the lay of the land right now, of course.
And a house shack. I love. Girls, just 1.5 5.
Fundamental rights.
Oh, yeah. That's better.
Sorry. Oh my gosh.
Hey, I'm Jack. I haven't heard from you in a while, so I'm just checking in. I know you love letters. We both know that I can't stand to write them. Aunt Jenny says you haven't been seeking.
There's a giant eraser.
And a giant lizard. Well, what's down there? Light effect in use. Look at it. It's changing. Let's put the pizza.
Yeah.
Oh my, pizza. I thought it did that because I said pizza.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I know.
Oh, no, you're fine. I was just watching it. You were demonstrating it for me. I didn't need city area that we were looking at from up there. Neon lights. And your owl wolf spin.
It's so weird. It's just like an art installation, and we're traveling interdimensionally. Wow. Shall we press on?
Mm-hmm.
Going anywhere down
We haven't
here?
done this
No,
yet.
let's go in there then.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. Just kind of wander around.
Yeah. Wherever.
Huh. Oh, nope, that's locked. You clock in?
That's the lightning collector
Oh,
up there. It's sort of anticlimactic because you think it's going to get something massive and then it just kind of starts over. Kind of anticlimactic.
It's all right. Doesn't have to have one. It's just in the beginning.
Weird monster thing just chilling out over here.
Oh, that was flat. What's that?
Weird creature.
Check.
Hello, weird monster guy. And hello to your other eye.
It's our weird creature butt.
Howdy.
Oh, geez, I didn't know that. I thought it was weird. I was like, oh my God, that's a person. That looks cool. I like the sounds.
Over here is a really interesting, bizarre garden area.
Oh my gosh, I love the colors in here.
So cool. Hello.
Oops, sorry. You're all right.
Some manatees chilling out over here.
Oh, he's fun.
Oh, there's an exit that's the exit from the dryer. So here's where the washing machine comes out.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my, that seems like it's high up.
Oh, got a little garden shed here. I'm guessing this leads right back out to the garden they got out front. Hello, little girl. That's the front of the house over there.
I thought that was deeper. Freaky. Oh, it smells good right here. Somebody's wearing cotton candy perfume.
So this garden shed leads back to the front of the house.
Really? Out to the garden?
No, just the front. Corridor right here. Closed door.
Oh, freaky. That's got that small door
Right.
vibe.
Oh, this is the fireplace.
Yeah, that's the fireplace.
This is the fireplace into
Back
into
to the living room.
front room.
Oh. Nope, that's
That
locked.
is locked. Yeah. Not easy to tell what's an actual entrance and exit and what's not here.
Right. In yet another dimension. Is that supposed to be death? Looks like the Grim Reaper.
Musical. This is all wonderful. This is giving me some music.
Somebody else must be playing them somewhere else.
Robin is enjoying
I went dun 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 dun, and they went dun dun back.
There's this undersea creature. Back into the city.
We were just here, weren't we?
We didn't go through here. We turned
Oh,
around.
we turned around, went the other way. Oh, wow, that's cool. Going through this hallway. Yeah, picture.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say.
Got
I
it.
need a break.
Oh, anybody on the phone? Ice cream, where's that?
Nope.
Always. Everybody there?
Nope.
I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
My phone call couldn't be completed as job.
Capsule Hotel. Various capsules.
The Hidden Capsule Motel. Apparently they're full up because they're not taking reservations right now.
Probably in the house.
This is Sinead O'Connor.
Oh, and there's the skylight that we saw earlier.
Uh-oh. Super wide. Oh, I was looking through that earlier.
Some coordinates.
None of the doors open?
Username and password. No. So it's got username and password and these coordinates.
Cyber Spa. Really, none of them open? You'd think one of them would open.
No, they do not.
Apparently they're full up because they're not taking reservations right now.
Tomorrow. Oh, here's a little arcade.
Oh, wow. Arcade?
Uh-huh. Have a claw machine stuff with shoes. Pizza
Oh,
shoes.
there's no air in here. It's in the way.
And a skateboard and a mask and a bat. Tennis racket with glass sticking out of it.
Haha, that's like a.
And a bat with a
Blade.
saw sticking out of it. Portal behind the vending machine.
Okay.
Oh, so you don't want to try anything else? You must really like this.
Yeah.
What are you trying to prove? That you don't have any control over your opinion? I guess I think you better do it than that.
Woo. Where are we? What's that? Might be easier to see if I sit.
Oh, and this is the entrance over there.
Oh, is that what that is? What's in there? The door's all locked.
That's the other side to that other room you were looking at before.
The really glowy one.
Uh-huh.
I want my house to be like this. Nobody's sitting in the Grim Reaper unless there's a lineup. Oh, other people coming in. Yeah.
That leads to the city, not the bedroom. Yeah, it leads to the city through a vending machine.
Yeah. I'm not sure where we haven't been. Oh, that's cool. What's that? We went through there once.
We just came out of there.
We came out of there.
Yeah, we
That's
went
the
through
one
here
with
once.
the big bird foot.
All right, we can go through there though.
Okay. Like, I see them getting up, Christ. You have your glasses on. I could see your bright eye blink, which is weird.